Hello and welcome to the parental consent form tutorial. The parental consent module can be looked upon as a electronic signature for permission slips. So basically you will create a document in the system and send it to to the members' accounts, and their parent can sign it within the planning tool system, and then the executed document will come back to your account, and you can download it and print it, or whatever the case is with the signature on it. So I'll show you how that works. You will go to Tools, go to Documents, choose Parental Consent right here. Alright, and you have Create Document up top button, as well as some other buttons over here that we'll talk about. So first, let's go ahead and create a document. Choose Create New Document. Document title, we'll call this Spring Tour Consent Form. Alright. Event name, Spring College Tour. Event date, November 30th. Now, who else does this, which members does this need to be sent to? Does it go to everybody? You just leave it blank. Does it go to certain members? You just choose those members. Okay. But in this case, we're going to just leave it blank. We're going to send it to everybody. This part here is body of consent form. This is basically the content for what the parent or guardian is consenting to. So basically, whatever language that's in your permission slips or consent forms, that's what you want to paste here. So this one says my signature evidence that I accept general liability for participation of my child and blah blah blah. And you can see that language there. Now it's also, when we create this document, it's going to notify all of the members via email, and it's also, it gives you the option to notify their parents. So we'll choose yes because we want to notify their parents as well, and we will choose Create Document. Alright, so you see here we have the new document. I'm going to show you what each of these buttons will do. View Document is basically allows you to view the signed or unsigned document. Here, so you have all of their names that you sent it to, the status of each one of theirs, so no one has signed theirs yet, and then you can view it. And as you see, that it's not signed, but it does give you the option to print it. Okay. But once we sign one, we'll come back and show you that. Okay. You can view a report. Basically, it just shows the name of the parent, the date, the status, and the member's name. If you need to edit the consent form, it brings all of this back up. You can choose delete, and here is send. And basically, if you needed to send this particular form that's configured just like this, but you just wanted to change some stuff or send it to somebody again, or whatever the case may be. If you just want to change the date, if you want to use the form from last year, you can change it to this year, and it'll create a whole new document. So you can kind of look at this send as copy as well. Alright, so as I said before, when you create the document, it sends an email to the members. So let's go and see what that looks like. So you see an email was sent, new parental consent document, and there is what the email looks like. Please log into your Parental and execute the parental consent. Alright, so we're going to jump over into one of the members' accounts. We'll go to e-tasks, tools, documents, and then parental consent documents. Choose parental consent, and here you see Spring College Tour document is there available for the e-signature. Under action, to sign the document, choose e-signature. The parent will. Any information that needs to be put, it'll automatically put the parent's name and email and phone number based on the member's profile, and the only thing you will add is the date. Any comments, they can add any medical information, hospital information, or just whatever information they want to add to there. So this parent is going to say, okay, let's take this meds that he has with him twice a day. Call me if you have any. Alright. So basically this kid has some medicine he has to take twice a day. Alright, and here the parent can put their signature or whatever. Choose save signature and then execute document, and you'll see that the document was up here under unsigned parental consent documents. It's now down here under signed consent documents, and there's a button that says completed document, and you can see what the completed document now looks like. Choose print, it will create, it'll send it to your printer, or you can save it as a PDF. Just to show you what the completed PDF looks like. Alright, and this is what the completed parental consent form will look like. Name of the organization, name of the consent form, the event name, date automatically prints, the consent form body, parent name, signature, and here are those comments that the parent entered, and you can print this or save it or whatever. It's all stored within the system. Alright, jumping back to the coach's account or your account. We'll come back now and we'll look at choose this view report, and you'll see where J. Mariah Mormon status has changed to signed, and there's a date there. So if there's no date there, then obviously it hasn't been signed. So that's the view report, the view documents. You can pull any of these documents up. Again, J. Mariah is showing now signed. Choose view, and then you can pull it up on your end, and you can choose print if you choose, and you see that there's the signature there. So again, this is just another way to eliminate paper, add convenience, and utilize technology more. Oftentimes the kids will say, well, I lost my permission slip, or didn't get it signed, I don't know what to do with it. Again, it can all be done right there on a cell phone, on a tablet or computer. But again, just another way to allow you to run your organization paperless. with utilizing the planning tool. This will conclude the parental consent tutorial.